This can include a wide range of applications, such as predictive modeling, personalization, chatbots and virtual assistants, and optimization and automation. The goal of marketing AI is to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of marketing efforts by leveraging data and technology. One example of a platform utilizing marketing AI is Marketingblocks, an AI-powered platform that generates all of your marketing materials, including landing pages, promotional videos, advertisements, copy, graphics, email templates, voiceovers, blog posts, articles, and more, in minutes, using just a keyword. With this technology, businesses can quickly and easily establish a profitable online presence without the need for writing, designing, or coding. The platform includes a user-friendly drag-and-drop page builder, allowing for quick edits with just a few clicks. It also generates high-quality marketing copy in over 100 languages, catering to any niche, and is 200 times more cost-effective than hiring professional writers. Additionally, it has an advanced technology called the AI Writer, which can compose full-length blog posts, books, business plans, VSL scripts, courses and more in mere minutes. Designs and banners can also be created with ease using AI-powered design technology, generating visually stunning designs that drive traffic, leads, and sales. The platform also includes an easy-to-use drag-and-drop graphic editing tool for quick and easy edits. Promo videos can also be created in just 60 seconds using the platform's AI technology, generating professional videos to engage your audience and convert them into paying customers. Overall, marketing AI can greatly benefit businesses by helping them better understand their customers, identify opportunities for growth, and make data-driven decisions. The use of AI-powered platforms like Marketingblocks can also streamline the marketing process and increase efficiency and effectiveness.